October 18th. We just finished a solo limit wood duck hunt on another property up the road. Stopped back by here by the rice swamp, checking on things. It's starting to flood naturally a little bit. Now that the short season has come and gone, we're gonna drop our boards in here, start flooding this, get ready for the November opener. We've got a lot of rice in here. We've got some wild game feed sorghum. We've got some moist soil, woolgrass, and sedges up there, some brown top millet remaining. But the most part, we have a lot of rice in here, and it's just now starting to dry out. We just broke the upstream beaver dam. We are officially flooding our rice swamp for duck hunting. If this stuff interests you, make sure to follow along with the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you've not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. We are now into duck season. We're going to be flooding this rice and grain sorghum duck impoundment. Follow along. Look forward to seeing you on the next videos.